Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 13.3, how to check if a simple requirement is true. What we want to figure out here is whether here in B5, whether this number is greater than 0. If it is, that means it's true. If not, it's false. The if function, using the if function, the statement we use in order to check that requirement is an if statement in Excel. The if function is the most basic conditional analysis function in Excel. It has 3 arguments: the condition, what to do if the condition is true, and what to do if the condition is false. What are we talking about condition? The condition is a logical test, a value or logical expression that can be evaluated as true or false. That's the condition. And then what do we want to do? We want to, if the value is true, we want to do something. If it's not true, we want to do something else. Here, we have in C5 or B5, we have a number. We have just a range of numbers. The question is, if B5 is greater than true, that's the condition, do something. 1, enter 1. If not, put a 0. Here we have is, in this requirement, is 1.4 greater than 0? Yes. Well, here's verification. Equals B5 greater than 0. Is that true or false? Well, that's true. What if we go down to B6 and we ask the same question? Is B6 greater than 0? No. The statement is false. So we put in a 0. We can do this with any series of numbers and come up with a true or false statement. If you notice, we're using a operator here, greater than. We can use less than. We can use less than or equal to. We can use any operator in an if statement to determine if it's true or false. And as I point out, if our conditional argument returns true, the second argument of the if function is returned to the cell. What's the second argument? Well, here's the second argument right here, value of true. If not, it's going to give us this third argument, and that is false. And if it's false, we'll do whatever it says within this formula. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.